Hello friends. Today I will unpack the new Kercher Puzzi 8-to-1 washing vacuum cleaner with you. I bought this vacuum cleaner for my experiment, the essence of which is to test the possibility of starting my own business in Spain for cleaning upholstered furniture with a minimum budget. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. By doing this, you will support my experiment and will be able to follow its continuation. This model is in the Kercher line of professional tools and was purchased based on many recommendations. This vacuum cleaner was bought on Amazon for €525. As you can see, during delivery, the vacuum cleaner was not handled with care. I hope this did not lead to damage. When opening the box, we are met by a hose for supplying and collecting liquid back. The hose looks quite high quality, its length is about 2.5 meters. The following is an instruction manual with the rules for the operation of this vacuum cleaner. The instruction is quite detailed, has illustrations, and I hope it will be understandable. Now we are trying to get to the vacuum cleaner itself. Look at this handsome man, he is quite securely packaged. The weight of the vacuum cleaner declared by the manufacturer should be about 10 kilograms, we take our word for it. As you can see, the vacuum cleaner is equipped with a power cable, the length of which is 7.5 meters. The body of the vacuum cleaner is gray and marked professional. Let me remind you that the yellow color of the case would mean the household purpose of a vacuum cleaner. This model has a removable tank for dirty water, which should be very convenient during its operation. The volume of this container is 7 liters. Illustrated instructions for its use are applied to the container. It looks quite accessible for perception and, I think, will not require much effort to figure it out. Next, we see the furniture cleaning nozzle, which consists of 2 parts, but we will return to it later. So, we have a container for a clean liquid, its volume is 8 liters, there is a designation on the maximum temperature of the liquid, which should not exceed 50 degrees Celsius. This is due to the fact that the liquid passes through the pump and at the same time must cool it. Using hotter liquid may cause the pump to overheat and fail. Remember this. Now it's the turn of the dirty liquid compartment cover. The plastic is transparent and looks very high quality. It seems to me that it will be convenient during the operation of the vacuum cleaner to control the purity of the waste liquid. The cleaner the waste liquid, the closer the final work on cleaning the sofa or mattress. Well, now let's try to connect the hose to the vacuum cleaner. This is done quite simply. The liquid collection hose has a soft connection, the liquid supply hose has a retainer and a more rigid connection, since the liquid is supplied at a pressure of about 1 bar. Connecting the hose to the cleaning nozzle is done in the same way as to a vacuum cleaner. Everything is simple. It is impossible to confuse anything. I respect the Germans for their practicality. The cleaning nozzle has a fluid nozzle that can adjust the spray bar. This should be a handy feature. Alright, the vacuum cleaner is ready to go. Next, I will show you my first experience with this device. Let's see if it works as well as it looks now. Subscribe to my channel and like it. I remind you that you will support me in my experiment and you will be able to follow its continuation. Bye everyone.